Yo, bro.
Yo, big dog.
How's it, money?
I'm
not my boy.
Yeah, man.
Boy. So what we doing today, boy? Where we going, my guy?
Okay, so today we are going to Mamelodi.
Oh, no. Hi guys, welcome back to Palate. It's your boy Zulu. Today is back foot Mamelodi. Sizobona usiya from Siyababa Sauce. So asambe nisibone ukuthi uyenza kanjani isauce sibonga. Yeah man, sikuvakashele namhlanje. Sithi sobona ukuthi manje isosiyenzwa kanjani yabona?
Yeah.
We got ama viewers are interested.
Itala vele from
Chile. No, of course. Itala
vele from Chile. Ngihlanganisa ama ingredients onke.
Okay.
Cook overnight.
Right.
Then they need to sleep over, cool off.
Okay.
Before I can take them to a blend.
Okay.
Then swalachela ngala.
A normal time, if you look at it in terms of blending, how long does it take?
Yo, yabona a proper blender.
Yeah.
Mele blend maybe for like 10 times.
10 times. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure, it's quite a lot process.
So much blend and this thing is gonna hit then cool off. Until it's very fine. The static blender sterilize amabhodlela lawo wethu.
Okay.
Amanzi ashisayo. After we put them down, amanzi drain out.
Okay.
Then it cools off.
Okay.
Before singafaka sauce. Then
Yeah.
we put in the sauce, we seal so that there's no air coming in.
Okay.
It's nice and sealed and nicely packaged. This is the final product. This was the old bottle that we had.
Oh, okay.
When I started doing the sauce,
Just the logo.
Yeah.
Okay.
So ngangena kwi-process ukuthi ngihambe ngiye ka-SABS
Okay.
ngiyokwenza i-testing.
Okay.
So mangiqeda ukwenza i-testing
Then waba ne-coordination.
banginike approval.
Okay.
Nanginike approval ngakwazi ukuthi ama-ingredients atestiwe manje ukuthi this is what is contained in the sauce.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now SAPS approved now, so you can basically sell this to anyone nationwide.
Yes, I can sell it anywhere now. Okay. So my next step now is to get the barcode.
Okay, I see.
My challenges now, load shedding, more especially when you're gonna have 4 hours of load shedding, then half a day, 12 hours of.
Basically, you're off, you're not working.
And money yasebenza futhi.
Yes.
Ngento ngiyenza after work. So ukuthi ngibuye emsebenzini, I want to do production. Yeah. So alternatively,
okay,
I'll use gas stove. But that is just for cooking.
For cooking only.
Blending still needs
electricity.
I can't have a substitute for a blend.
Of course.
I can't have a substitute for a sealing machine.
Sure.
On top of that, I'm a supplier. They just send us a message which we don't delay much because of load shedding.
The load shedding.
So there's gonna be delay in the process of printing the bottle. On top of that, I'm a price I knew.
Yeah,
so yeah, those are the challenges. Coming to finances, obviously you need bigger blenders to make more production. Then you can be able to approach
bigger guys,
supermarkets,
and be able to
supply on a bigger scale. Hopefully going international and producing under condiments
Of course.
Yeah.
Guys, as you can see, this is what all small businesses have to go through life. South Africa enabled for them to be able to cope for another day. So in this case, what we will do, Wamanje, we're gonna have to put this tasty sauce and then Sibon, which is Dozambanja. But you will see that on the next episode, yeah, Kasi Palate. Otherwise, we'd like to thank Untanga. Thank you very much for showing us how you do your thing. Right now we're gonna go so test ukudla wako and take it forward. No put on Siyabonga. Guys, we'll see you shortly.
Well, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, we hope that the new Minister of Electricity can keep the lights on. If you own a small business and you are at the age between 18 and 35, please check out the NYDA Twitter page. They have a Kasi business workshop that moves around different townships looking for solutions to load shedding. Do participate and you could win 50K.
Guys, Lana's Pete is Siyababa Sauce. I would have this any time of the day. So yeah, let's go for it.
Guys, please subscribe to Kasi Palate. We need money for petrol so that we can keep doing these episodes, man.
Please, guys.
Yo, subscribe to Kasi Palate. You know what it is.